Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to a quick guide on starting your Roth IRA with Fidelity. A Roth IRA is an incredible tool for retirement, letting your investments grow tax-free and allowing for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Fidelity stands out as a top choice, known for its strong reputation and excellent investment tools. Let's make starting your Roth IRA simple and straightforward, helping you build a more secure financial future. Before diving in, let's quickly check if a Roth IRA is right for you. There are income limits, so it's good to be aware of those, though most people qualify. You can contribute up to $6,500 in 2023, with an extra $1,000 allowed if you're age 50 or older. Knowing these limits helps you plan your contributions effectively each year. Ready to open your account? Head over to Fidelity. Come and look for the Open an Account section. You'll select Roth IRA and then follow the prompts. Be prepared with some basic information like your social security number, employer details, and possibly your bank account info for funding. Fidelity's system guides you smoothly through each step, making the process very user-friendly. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it. Fidelity offers several convenient ways to get your money in. The easiest is often an electronic funds transfer directly from your bank account, which is usually quite quick. You can also set up direct deposits from your paycheck or even mail in a check if you prefer. Pick the method that works best for your financial habits. With funds in your Roth IRA, the exciting part begins. Investing. Fidelity provides a vast selection of investment products, including low-cost index funds, ETF, and individual stocks. Take some time to explore options that align with your financial goals and comfort with risk. Remember, consistent contributions and periodic reviews are key to maximizing your Roth IRA's potential over the years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.